Our guest this morning is known to be a football star. Let us discover how he succeeds in life here on Top Secrets. We would like to welcome on the show Sir Chippy Caligdong. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, and good morning to all your listeners and lahat ng taga-subaybay.
Yes. We call our viewers Kapaglaom.
Kapaglaom.
Yes.
Good morning, Kapaglaom.
You are
Paglaom is hope.
Yes.
Yeah, hope. Yeah.
You're known to be a football star. You are the well-known team captain of Ascals, and you were awarded as one of the 10 most outstanding men in the Philippines in the year 2012. Yes. How God brings you to success?
Siguro, God knows na I really work hard for this.
This field.
Yeah, this field. No, the sacrifice I sacrifice my family, my friends, my school before. No.
Paano po ba nagsimula ang isang Chippy Caligdong?
I started playing football at 5, no, and
You were from?
Barotac, Nuevo, Iloilo. No, and doon ako nagsimula.
So you're a certified Ilonggo?
Yes. So doon ako nagsimula na maglaro ng football, and yun at the age of 5, syempre marami kang matutunan to discover, and marami kang kailangan matutunan.
At the age of 5 ba, in-enroll ka ba ng parents mo sa isang football training, na formal training?
Kasi in our town, only the sports is only football.
Okay.
Yeah, no other sports na sinusuportahan, parang only football lang. So we're the football capital. So before I start, walang boots, walang spike shoes. I just we play barefoot lang before. So you have to really to sacrifice kung ano yung meron kami noon, 'di ba? So hindi naman kasi yan sa sinusuot. But how you love the game, 'di ba? How you play in the game. Hindi naman.
At what age po kayo na nagkaroon na kayo ng sapatos?
The age of 9 sa grade 3, So nakuha ko as a varsity player sa school, in a public school.
Tapos no?
So doon nag-start yung
So, parang tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Elementary, secondary, that's what we call athletic. Ano yan?
palarong pambansa, regional meet, integrated meet. So doon ako nag-start, dahan-dahan. Then at the age of
So your mentors were your teachers?
No, my brother.
Your brother?
My brother is a football player also. He's a former national team. And he, nag-aaral siya sa UST before. And he's the one who encouraged me and inspires me a lot na maging isang football player din. When I was in second year high school, so naselect ako as under 16 national team. Under 16. At the age of 16, I was playing in the senior team in the selection of Iloilo team. So very young to start to play on that level, no?
So you were competing on national level?
Yeah, on the age of 16.
That's where nag-start yung parang career niyo for international? Or meron pang mga...
At the age of 16, naglaro ako sa Singapore for Coco for Goal.
At the age of 16?
Yeah, the age of 16. So yun yung tuloy-tuloy na panay na yung labas ko, panay na yung dala ko ng flag and country. So doon nagsimula. Then year 2000, na-select ako sa senior team at the age of 20. So yeah, very young. But yun yung ano mo yun yung talaga yung fashion mo and yung kumbaga yung goal, yun talaga yung gusto mo maabot. Yeah, gusto mo maabot. So, kailangan marami kang madadaanan na sakripisyo.
Speaking of madadaanan na sakripisyo, what are those moments in your life na parang this really mark an event na parang very painful sa life ko?
The first time I try to be in the team 2000, no, natanggal ako sa team. no? But I never stop believing on myself na kaya ko to. So yun yung siguro yung pinakamasakit sa akin.
Pinakamasakit yun.
But para sa akin, it's a part of the challenge lang na kailangan ko mag-strive hard, kailangan ko mag-work hard. Siguro kulang pa yung pinapakita ko. But
Paano mo napagdaanan yung mga point na yun sa inyong life?
marami kasi hindi naman marami kang kakompetensya sa team, marami kang kompetensya na mga players na magagaling. But you have to explore, or parang kailangan mong ano ba yung meron sila na wala ka, parang ganun.
How do you feel being called the great Chiefy?
I always stay humble and always put my feet on the ground and keep inspiring kids kung ano yung natutunan ko, anong meron ako ngayon at before. So, yun lang yun. And,
Sa Ascals ba, may jealousy ba? Meron bang mga panahon na parang...
No, sa time ko before, no, when I was a team captain, I really bring all those players, lahat ng players, kailangan ko sila maging mag-gel, we're team, di ba? Kailangan mong maging close kami sa isa't isa. So,
What are the factors that have brought you to success?
Yung formula ng naging successful siguro ko na hard work, trusting myself as Chiefy Kadigdong, di ba? And with my family also, and yun siguro, and of course the God. Hindi ko nakalimutan yung God na kung ano yung meron ako, I offer ito para sa Kanya. And syempre yung mga friends ko na hindi din ako magiging successful without them, di ba? Without the fans, yeah, my mentors. I want to bring back para sa mga bata. That's what I'm here now.
Is this the reason why you also retire from Ascals?
May reason why I retire sa Ascal, no? Because I want to give also chance yung mga young athletes, young players natin na mga local and also mga foreign-based player natin na gusto maglaro sa national team.
What keeps you busy nowadays?
May advocacy and also I'm still playing. Yes, this is a nationwide every month. This is a 10
Every
areas.
month?
Yeah. So
tinutour mo ang Pilipinas?
buong Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao to help the FA yung football to grow and to identify. Yung punta ko dito is to identify talents, no? So and to introduce, to educate them as ano yung sports sa kanila.
So, would you like to give a message to our young ones who are listening right now, and to parents also who still have the lack of itong interest on athletic?
Yes, yung may bibigay ko lang na mensahe sa mga bata, no. When I was playing football, I start zero, no, zero. No, even the good players sa buong mundo like Messi, Ronaldo, Ronnie, di ba? So they start kung ano yung meron sila. But if you train hard and if you train every day and playing every day, you will be yung sinasabi na practice makes perfect, di ba? Kung ano yung meron ako ngayon. No, I train 3 times a day noon when I was a kid. But hindi ganun kadali. It's not overnight. Diba? Hindi siya overnight.
So you need to work hard for what you're
ilang
going
taon,
to do.
diba? So, kailangan mong tiyagaan yun. Yung iniisip ko lang ay I play with my heart and I play with my mind. Sa kailangan natin, maramdaman natin kung ano yung ginagawa natin. And yun na yun. So, dahan-dahan and yung sinasabi ko na sa kanila na always say thank you to your parents and say thank you to God kung ano yung meron ka.
Praise God. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much. Salamat.
We're so glad to have you here in Panimbayas sa Kamuntagan.
Salamat. Thank you.
Mga kahigalaan, mga kapaglao mo, balik pa ta diri sa Panimbayas sa Kamuntagan.